This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and SIM support 5G. This matters because the option appears only on capable devices. Once done, open the My Jio app and sign in with your Jio number. Make sure mobile data is on and the app is updated. Outdated apps hide settings. Tap the profile or settings icon to access network options. If you don't see settings, close and reopen the app. This forces a fresh session and reveals newly available toggles. Now navigate through SIM and network settings inside the app or Android settings depending on My Jio layout. You're changing the preferred network type. Select the 5G option or 5G/4G/3G auto so the phone can fall back when needed. Save or apply the selection. The device will register on the 5G cell if coverage exists. Once the connection attempts, watch the status bar for the 5G icon to confirm. If it switches back, finish by verifying the 5G indicator and run a quick browser or speed test to confirm higher throughput. This proves the switch worked. If you don't see 5G, make sure you're in a covered area and that the APN is the operator default. Incorrect APNs can block advanced network features. Once done, try reinserting the SIM or restarting the phone. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your IMEI and account details so they can provision 5G on your line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.